Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a new purse video. I got a new purse. I haven't opened it or anything yet, so I haven't even seen it like in person, so I'm super excited. So I will put the links for the purse down below, and yeah, let's open this because I really want to see it. All right, so this is like a very first impression about the purse. So here's the box. All right, guys, so my purse today is from Teddy Blake. I have 1, 2, 3. I think I already have 3 Teddy Blake bags. And I love Teddy Blake. I think they're absolutely amazing quality. I know they are on the more expensive side, but they're worth it. So something that I love about Teddy Blake is that they have premium leather, which is amazing. So this is the box and my new purse. I'm super excited. And Teddy Blake is truly from Italy. So it's like actually from Italy, not like, oh, it's from Italy, but like this is actually from Italy. So let's open this because I really want to see it. So the box is really nice. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. And then we have this. Let's start opening this. We are getting there, people. We are getting here. Look at this. Getting closer and closer at every moment. Almost just broke my nail. I haven't seen it, so I'm excited because you guys are like watching me doing it together. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. What? Oh my God. This is so nice. Wow, it's like, you can like feel it. This is so cool. Oh my God, it is so nice. Oh my gosh, this is like, I feel so classy. Look at it. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this? Like yeah, you can totally see it. I wish you guys could feel it. It is so incredibly soft. This is nice. Look at this piece of hair. It just wants to have fun. I keep putting it in here and it just keeps popping back out. Okay, so here is the purse, obviously. Here's the front. It says Teddy Blake down here. And then in the back, it does not have one. It does have nice little prongs at the bottom. And I will take this off so we can look at this. So it has nice straps here. And then it also does come with a, like, if you want to have it as a crossbody. Wow. I'm like in shock. I'm like not even joking. I'm like actually like pretty shocked that how amazing, like it's, not that I thought it was gonna be bad or anything, but like this is amazing. I do really quickly want to tell you that this purse was gifted to me. I am not getting paid to do a video. But they did give me the purse and I just wanted to share it with you guys because I did really want to do a video of like an unboxing and stuff like that. So, so it's not sponsored, but they did give me the purse, but it's not like I didn't pay. I'm not like getting paid to do the video. I don't know. Does that make sense? I am absolutely in shock on how amazing this is. I can't, you know what I can't believe how soft this is. It is so pretty. Oh my God, I literally love it. On the inside, it's once again really soft. It has like one big pouch here, and then it has like a center little flap. And then on this side, it has two compartments to put your stuff in it. So I'm gonna see, I have the X, so I'm gonna see if they fit. Yep, they fit on this one. And then on the other side, it fits on that side too. So you can see, yeah, you can see. So let's see what's inside of this little pouch in here. So it looks like this, and it goes, let me see. It goes, yeah, it goes all the way down. That's really nice that they're like 3 different compartments. So like you can have like put over here for specific things, and then over here like money or whatever you want to put in there, and then more zippies in here. I don't know if you can see. All right, but I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below. Also, I will put one of my things up here for my old Teddy Blake bags, so you guys can kind of see the difference between the ones that I have now than the ones that I have here. They're here, and then the one that I have already had before that I have them, actually, they're right over here. But yeah, I absolutely love this purse. I can't wait to put all my stuff in here. But yeah, I love you guys so, so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and definitely put the bell on mine to make sure you see all my videos and stuff like that. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much. I think I've said that like 4 times now. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.